Dayon kamo sa atong ikalimang parte sa Cebuanong sinultihan nga pagtuon. Welcome to the fifth part of our Cebuano language tutorials. Ani nga video ang mga komplikado o makalibog nga Cebuanong mga pulong ginapasabot. Busayaw laktawi, lantawa hangtod matapos. In this video, some complicated and confusing Cebuano words are explained. So please don't skip watching until the end. Dayon or ipanhi, welcome. Padayon, padayuna, padayunon. Continue or proceed. Note, padayuna is also the Cebuano word for continue, but this word is used only to command others to continue. For example, padayuna kung unsa ang imong gibuhat. Just continue what you are doing. Padayuna sa sunod nga kapitulo. You may proceed to the next chapter. Note, padayunon is another Cebuano word for continue or proceed, but it only refers to the command to continue, which includes the speaker. For example, atong padayunon hangtod mahuman ang atong pagtuon. Let's continue our study and finish it. Atong padayunon sa pagbasa ang sunod nga kapitulo. Let us continue to read the next chapter. Atong padayunon sa sunod hugna. Let us proceed to the next round or to the next level. Hugna, round or level. Ikalimang hugna, fifth round or fifth level. Basa, read. Nabasahan nimo akong email? Have you read my email? Kapitulo, chapter. Unsa? What? Unsa imong gibuhat? What are you doing? Note, unsa is the Cebuano word for what, but sometimes it is used to ask how, depending on the situation. But the official word for what is unsa, and the official word for how is unsaon. For example, unsa kadako imong problema? How big is your problem? Unsaon ako pagsulbad kini nga problema? How do I solve this problem? Unsaon man ni nako or unsaon man nako pagbuhat ani? How can I do this? Unsa kalisod ang sitwasyon? How hard is the situation? Sitwasyon, situation. Lisud, hard or difficult. Kalisdanan, difficulties. kalisud, hardship, atong or nato or nata. In English, litas. Note, atong, nato, and nata are three Cebuano words used to say litas. And not only that, atong and nato are also translated as our. I will explain here how and when to use them for our and let us. How and when to use atong, nato, and nata to say let us. To use atong for let us, it should be the first word in almost all types of Cebuano speech or sentences. To use nato for let us, it should be the second or middle word in all types of Cebuano speech or sentences. To use nata for let us, it should be the last in every two words in Cebuano speech. For example, atong ipaanhi ang atong mga bisita ning kabuntagon. Let us welcome our visitors this morning. Ila-ilahon nato ang isag-isa. Let us know each other. Mangaon na ta. Mangaon ta. Let us eat. Let's eat. Mangadto na ta. Muadto na ta. Mangadto ta. Muadto ta. Let us go. Or let's go. Atong sugdan ang paglakaw or sugdan nato ang paglakaw. Let's start walking. Manganta na ta. Manganta ta. Let's sing. Atong tukuron ang balay or tukuro na to ang balay. Let us build the house. And how about the use of atong to say our in Cebuano speech? No, always remember that the word atong, which we use to say let us, should always be the first word in all types of Cebuano speech. But if we use atong to say our, it should no longer be the first word but the second from the beginning, or it could be the second to the last words of any Cebuano speech. For example, ang atong paglaom naa sa Dios. Our hope is in God. Diyos ang atong paglaom. God is our hope. Ang atong Diyos maayo kaayo or maayo kaayo ang atong Diyos. Our God is so good. And how about the use of nato to say our in Cebuano speech? No, always remember that if we use nato for let us, it should always be the second word in any Cebuano speech, as I showed you in the previous examples. But if we use nato to say our, it should be the third word, or it may also be the last word in Cebuano speech. For example, ang Diyos nato maluluyon or maluluyon ang Diyos nato. Our God is merciful. Ang pagkaon nato saktura or saktura ang pagkaon nato. Our food is enough. Other Cebuano words that are used to say our are as follows: amua, among, atua, or the same as aton. Now let me explain the proper use of these Cebuano words translated as our. When you say in Cebuano among, not including the audience. Atong, it includes the audience. For example, karong adlaw ang among talento competition. Karong adlaw ang atong talento competition. Today is our talent competition. Kana lang usa karong adlaw hangtod sa sunod na kong video. That's all for today. Until my next video. Daghan salamat sa pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel. Thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And Diyos magpanalangin kaninyong tanan. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Bye.